Hello guys, this is Garrett. This is my KX85 two-stroke race bike, by the way. You can see I got some Pro Taper, but I got a monster grip on top. Got some RTT, RT Motorsports. Got some Enzo Racing KYR suspension. Got some Maxxis front tires. Got some cool Walt graphics. Back fender. Pro Circuit R304 factory sound. Short pipe. Very loud. Let's go around the back here. There's the Pro Circuit right there. Beautiful. Then I got a speed motor. And here's my little bike. Put some stuff into it. It's not worth a lot. There's the Pro Circuit T4 Racing Series pipe. Got a 2 Dunlop tires on both ends. There's that whole kit right there to there. Got some minimalistic graphics. Got a custom front fender. Got some Pro Circuit forks, suspension, and hope you guys liked my 2 racing dirt bikes. I'll see you soon.